Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Logic on YouTube. So today I will discuss a very important concept in JavaScript about the this keyword and constructed function. Yeah, right. I will discuss about the this keyword and constructor function. I believe that this keyword and constructor function will help you in understand the OOFs concept very easily. So this topic I have taken as a fourth question in the part of our video series JavaScript interview questions and answers. So let's start with the keyword this. Let's start with a simple alert function. Save the script and refresh the page. This is simply alert logic on YouTube. So by default, any variable or a function is a part of window object. For example, by default, any variable or function is a part of window object. I will prove that. So say window dot alert. Yes, this will also work same just as window. Save the script and refresh the page. Logic on YouTube for alert method and yes for window dot alert method. See another example. Suppose I have a variable where x and the value is 20. I will console dot log value of x, save the script and refresh the page. So it will print 20. Now I will comment alert and window dot alert. Now I will try to access x variable which is a part of window object. So I can also write this as window dot x and it should work. Save the script, clear the console and refresh the page. So it's working. Now it starts with the keyword this. This keyword refers to the current object or context. So uh, since by default the current object or current context is window, so this keyword should refer to the window object in this scenario. Save the script, clear the screen and refresh the page. So this keyword is refers to window object. Great. Means that this keyword in this scenario refers to the window object. This can also be proved with another example. Let's see. Console.log this.x. This.x should also refer to the x variable because x is part of window object and this refers to the window object. So it should print 20. Save the script, clear the console and refresh the page. It should print 20. Yeah, right. Great. It's printing 20. So variable x is a part of window. This keyword refers to the window object. So x window.x, and this.x. These all three forms refer to the same variable x. Now, here another example. Let's say there is a function, name is person, and I want to know this keyword inside this function. So console.log this. Currently, this will not refer any context or object because person function is simply defined, not called. So person function can be used as a simple function in JavaScript. It can also be used as a constructor function. So first of all, see this as a simple regular function. So I am calling person function. This will print the value of this keyword, and this should refer to the window object because I am not creating any instance or object or person function. So save the script, clear the console, and rephrase the page. Yeah, it is window object. Great. Now I will create an instance of person class. So this person function is a function that can also be used as a constructor because any function in JavaScript is a constructor. Let's see. Say, there is another variable y as a reference of instance of person class or a constructor function. Save the script. Before that, I will comment 20. A cleaner answer. I will also comment this regular function. Now I will refresh the page. And it is printing a blank object of type person. It is printing a blank object of type person. Now, this keyword not referring to the window object. It is referring to the object of person class. Currently, since there is no any property in a person constructor, so the object does not have any properties inside that. So the this keyword in this case refers to the person type object or instance. Now I will have an instance variable inside the person constructor JID, and I will say 30. Now I will save the script, clear the console, and refresh the page. Now this is referring to the instance which has a property JID with value 30, and this instance is not the type of window, it is the type of a new class or constructor function named person. Means a function can be used as a constructor function in JavaScript. A function can be used as a class in JavaScript, or a function can be used in JavaScript as a simple function. Great. Now I will try to explain some more concept in the case of function. Like if any property is associated with this keyword inside a function, then it becomes a public member. that constructor function or a class. If any variable is simply declared with a where or let keyword, then it will refer to the local variable of constructor. Variable of constructor. Or we can also say a local variable of constructor or a private member of, of the constructor. And if we simply use any variable inside the constructor function, let's say b equals 50, then it will be a global variable. Then it will be a global variable. For example, save the script, clear the console, and refresh the page. Still, Still, this keyword refers to the object of person class and the object instance member is Z only, not the A and B B because B is a variable of global scope that will be available in the window object. A is a variable in the constructor function, so it will be available when it is called, and it will only available to the local scope of person constructor. But the variable z, or I can say instance z, will be available in the instance of the person constructor function or person class as it is showing currently. So uh, uh, let's see if the B is available in the window scope, then I can access B even outside this person function. Let's try to control the value of B. I'm simply saying B console.log B, save, clear the screen, and refresh. So it is printing 50 because it is available globally. So even outside the function person, I can access that variable. I can also access this variable using window.b. Save the script, clear the console, and refresh the page. So it is showing 50. So it's clear. Let's summarize the things discussed today. So first of all, I explained that any variable or a function directly available to the window object, which is a default object inside the script. And for example, we show example alert method, that is the part of window object. So we can use alert method simply, or we can also use window.alert. Both are the same thing because alert method is available in the window object. Similarly, x variable will be available in the window object, so x can be accessed directly using x, or it can also be accessed using window.x, or it can be accessed using this. The most important thing in this example is the function person. This function person is a simple function and can also be used as a special function or a constructor function or a class in JavaScript. Means this function can be called simply as a regular function, or this function can also be called as a constructor function to create a new instance, or this person can also be used as a class to create an instance of a person class or a person type or a person constructor. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of this and a constructor function in JavaScript. Okay, thank you so much.